If you're an Instagram user, you know that the platform is about sharing high-quality photos and videos. But what if your Instagram uploads end up looking mediocre in quality? Worry not, as in this video, we will show you how to turn on high-quality uploads on Instagram so that your content looks great. To deliver a smooth and fluid experience on your phones, Instagram squeezes down the quality of photos and videos to match your network's capabilities. That means even the high-quality images or videos get compressed to save up cache space on Instagram servers and your phone. That helps the app to load the images and videos faster. Turning on high-quality uploads for Instagram means that it requires a faster connection and will consume more data. So it's advisable to use this feature when you connect your Android or iPhone to a Wi-Fi network. Instagram for Android and iOS offers you the option to upload your photos and videos at the highest quality possible. The settings for both the Android and iOS devices remain the same. Here's how to do it. Open the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Data Usage and Media Quality. Finally, turn on the toggle next to Upload at Highest Quality. That's it. Now you can upload your content in the highest quality possible on Instagram. Hopefully, you are now able to successfully upload high-quality posts on Instagram. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.